Welcome back to the Sidetrack Railroad and Railway Relics Unboxing the Past. It's time for Estate Sale Mystery Box number 6. Let's see what we've got. This box looks to be more locomotives and rolling stock. We'll see if we've got any relics in here or just rubbish. First up, we have a Union Pacific 260 and some sort of Santa Fe diesel. We've got a small passenger car, a little house, another little house, a Roco gondola, a tiny boxcar, a tiny plastic locomotive, another boxcar. I think we've seen one of these before. And another little boxcar, an Electrotron 240 engine, a 260, another 260, a Marklin boxcar, a tiny holiday house, a single engine house, a Tyco Penn Central F7, and my favorite out of the bunch, this Marklin Jamaican banana boxcar. So there's not a lot in this box, and I don't know that any of the locomotives are functional, but what do you guys think? Did we find any relics, or was it all just rubbish? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Railway Relics Unboxing the Past. I'll see you next time.